This Peter CX Tech. So today I'm gonna be teaching you how you can make your text to speech AI. So let's just dive into it. So you have to first of all install this library. Sorry. So after that, then you import the library you just installed. Python today. Then after you have installed that, after you have done that. Then after you have done that, then you make the engine, you assign a function to the engine by saying engine equal to height t3x3 dot int. Then next you create a word you want the engine to say. So let's say equals to sorry dot say into bracket what you want the engine to say. I will say I love Canada. So then you make the engine run by saying engine.runtime into NT. Oh, sorry. Let's save this, then run it.
I love Canada.
All right. Let's try it again. Let's put in another word here. My name is Peter. Let's try it again.
My name is Peter.
Right. Let's say I uh, please like and share.
My name is Peter.
Oh, sorry, we haven't said that. So let's try it again.
Please like and share.
All right, so thank you so much. I guess you have learned something. So next class, we're going to do something more complex and exciting. Thank you. See you next time.